Welcome to Delphi Stack. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to fix the ERR SSL Protocol Error in Microsoft Edge step by step. This error usually happens when the browser cannot establish a secure connection with a website due to SSL or security settings. First, check your internet connection and make sure the date and time on your computer are correct because wrong time settings can break SSL validation. Next, open Edge settings, go to Privacy Search and Services. Then scroll down and clear browsing data including cached files and cookies. After that, disable any VPN or proxy you might be using since they can interfere with secure connections. Now type edge:/flags in the address bar, search for QUIC, and set experimental QUIC protocol to disable. Then restart the browser. Also make sure your Microsoft Edge is updated to the latest version from the settings menu. Finally, try opening the website again in a new tab or restart your computer if needed. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.